In this lesson, we will discuss Mathematics of Finance, chapter number 5, exercise 5.2 and question number 3. The initial deposit that leads to $12,000 in 15 years when invested at 9% compounded semi-annually. So see, as I have told you that you have to see what is the requirement, compounded semi-annually. So formula I will write down here, C is equal to P into 1 plus I divided by 100 m whole raised to power n. So C, what is the requirement? Initial deposit. You have to find out P. And then C is given, which is 12,000. N, M, we have to find out. Interest is 9%. Always you have to find out M first. So what it says, semi-annually. How semi-annually means how many times in a year? 2 times, because there are 2 6 months, right? Semi-annually. So M is equal to 2. Now on the basis of this 2 we will find out N. 15 years. So there are 30 periods. 15, whatever is here, multiply by, so we have here 2, multiply by 2. There are 30 periods, or you can say simply 36 months in 15 years, right? So put the value here. Now whatever is here, n is equal to 30, it means C30. So here C30 is equal to this. C30, 12,000. P you have to find out. 1 plus I is 9%, 100 into 2 whole raised to power 30. So see, the question is initial deposit. What is the principal amount that leads to 12,000 in 15 years? It means this is the future value. Okay, now we will solve it. P, this 12,000 will remain the same here. And then 9 divided by 200, we will get 0.045 whole raised to power 30. Whatever is inside the parenthesis, you have to solve first. 12,000, just write down 12,000 as it is. P, and for this, right, what you have to do, write down 1.045 on your calculator, then press the caret symbol. After that, write down 30. You will get 3.745. We want the value of P. We do not want this with P, right? So as I have told you, we want to get rid of, what you have to do, divided by with the whatever in the numerator, write down same amount here, and the same thing you have to write down to the other side of the equation. This will cancel each other. So P is equal to, you can write down P here or here. This divide 12,000 divided by 3.745, we will get 3,204. If you have a decimal 0.27, that is fine, you can ignore it, right? But if you want, you can write down, does not make any difference. So see, this is the initial deposit, means you have $3,204 today. You are going to invest for the next 15 years compounded semi-annually, and then you will get 12,000. So this is the answer. But again, this is the multiple choice question. If you will see A, B, C, D, it is the D option according to your book. So practice this problem. If still any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.